Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today's plan with me is going to be in my Hobonichi Weeks planner. I'm so excited to get back to planning. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, it's been forever since I've actually done a plan with me. I think that my last video was my 2026 planner setup video in this planner. It was like back in November, I think, and I used a lot of the story begins to set up the first page with the Spring Dream collection. I actually almost grabbed that to do the February setup for Valentine's Day, but I decided I think I'm actually going to be setting up the first week of March because I really need a little bit of luck in my life right now. So let's go ahead and start with that, and I'll fill you in on what's been going on. So the kit I chose today is Lucky Lil Notes. So pretty, with a gold frame and lots of functional stickers. So I think what I want to do is put down all of these stickers first, and while I'm doing that, I'll give you guys an update on what's been going on with my cancer journey and then also some other sad news. So let's go ahead and start putting some stickers down. I think that I want to start with maybe putting down the left side. Okay, so let's go ahead and put down the washi first. Whenever I have these big stickers, I like to put them on my hand first to remove some of the oil. It just makes it a little less sticky, so if I need to pull it up, I can. Oh, but first, I want to put down the longer date strip. I tend to put these down a little wonky sometimes, so I like to put them down first before the washi in case I need to readjust it. So I'm just lining it up against the line down at the bottom. All right, that looks great. And then I'm just going to take it all the way up. Okay, that looks perfect. I think that that is great. All right, I had no need to worry. It just makes it a little easier though. So let's put this down. And while I'm putting these all down, let's chat real quick. So if you're new here, I was diagnosed with breast cancer back in September. I've done a couple of videos talking about this already, and I also just did a whole update on my Instagram account, but I'll just quickly summarize everything here. So I've had 3 surgeries to get rid of the cancer. The first one was in October, then again in November and December. So life's been pretty crazy here, especially since those are my super busy months for the shop. And thank you so much, guys. I cannot tell you how grateful I am to you guys for continuing to support me and my shop. It was really such a blessing to be so busy during that time. Honestly, I didn't really process everything because I didn't even have time to. I just packed orders every single day, and I felt like it was just going on for months. So thank you guys so much. All right, and the last piece of washi. Yay, it looks so pretty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put down all of the checklists now and tell you the good news that the cancer has not spread, and after the 3rd surgery they were able to get all of the cancer, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot even tell you how relieved and blessed I feel right now. I know I still have to do radiation. I'm actually going to be doing it this week, and I have to take medicine for 5 years, but I'm feeling very grateful. So I will take that as a win for now. All right, so Saturday and Sunday, I'm not going to put any of the checklists down because I'm trying to take those days off. So I'm going to write in the days of the week inside the circles before I forget. Now, if you've been following me on my Instagram account, then you probably also saw that unfortunately, right after my good news about my cancer, I lost my sister. So December 30th, she unfortunately passed away. And guys, it's been just so heartbreaking. It was so sudden and unexpected. It's still really hard to talk about. She was so worried about losing me, and the next minute I lost her. It's just super tough. But I really wanted you guys to know why I have been taking such a long break from filming. So let's move on to planning out my week, and I'll get back to chatting about all those things in a bit. Now, I am going to put down a couple of these little box stickers. I think I'm going to put one on Tuesday. I think I also want to do one on Thursday and then one on Saturday as well. Those are actually my order days, so I like to make sure that those days stand out in this planner. So I'm going to put them in those boxes. And then I want to put down the large frame sticker. So I'm going to put it, I think, right in the middle, maybe down a little bit. I'm thinking I might want to try and put a quote up top or maybe down at the bottom. I'm just going to leave a little bit of space up at top and at the bottom. Yay! Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I love it. All right, and then there's just a couple of extra little stickers. So I'm going to put the bow in the top right hand corner. Yeah, that looks perfect. And then there is a cute little Lucky gift tag. I think this is going to be such a great week for me to use this kit because I am really needing to have a little bit of luck in my life. So I'm already starting to feel so much better just by putting down all of these stickers. So cute. And I'm just going to put the little heart sticker down at the bottom here, and then maybe write the quote down at the bottom. I can't decide, up top here or at the bottom. I think I'll figure that out at the end and maybe just start planning on the left hand side. I also grabbed my weather stickers. I just reformatted these, so there's 3 different options. So we have the chic option, the cute weather option with all of the kawaii faces. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And then of course the minimal weather as well. So just black and white. I think that I want to go with the chic weather for this layout. I think that that will look the best. Now, since this is starting next week, I actually only have the weather for Monday. So I'm just going to put that down and then I'll just put these aside and fill in the rest of these later. So Monday is actually partly cloudy, which I am so happy about. Let's put it on the left hand side here. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. All right, so the low is 26 degrees and the high is 36. Guys, it has been so crazy snowy this year. I've never seen this much snow since I have moved here. So I'm hoping that there isn't much snow for this week because I have actually radiation every single day this week. Now, they did tell me that if for some reason it does snow or something comes up, I can miss a day or two and then they will push the radiation to the end of my time. Now, the good news is that I only have to do 5 days of radiation. It is every single day, but that is so much better than the 3 to 5 weeks that they initially told me I'd have to do. So the reason is because the 3rd surgery that I had done got rid of all of the cancer. So this is now just preventative treatment. So if there are little microscopic cancers that they can't see underneath the microscope, this is hopefully going to get rid of them for the future. So I am so excited. It was definitely worth having the 3rd surgery just to find out that I don't have to do 3 to 5 weeks of radiation. So that will definitely give me a little bit of a break. And once this is done, we'll need to start taking medication for 5 years. So that is a whole nother story. I will definitely keep you guys updated on how my radiation and my medicine goes. I do have a mood and symptom tracker that I'm going to keep track of all of that info. So I'll probably post that on Instagram. Now on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm going to write orders inside the little boxes. Now, I don't think I mentioned I'm using the Hobonichi Weeks planner as my everyday carry and my health and wellness planner. So I don't write every little thing in here, just the most important things. So I have that at a glance when I take this on the go. I do like to leave a little bit of space if for some reason I do need to write more after my orders, like an important message, appointments, and things like that. And then I also keep track of my workouts in here. And guys, I have been addicted to this pen lately. So this is the mild liner in olive, and I also have been really loving this pen as well. I'll leave those linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Now I'm just slowly getting back into working out. I haven't been able to work out because of my surgeries every month. They don't really allow you to just do walking workouts. So I'm excited to get back to doing some cardio and weights and even yoga. You really couldn't do any of major stretching while you were recovering from surgery. So I think that I might do yoga on Sunday as well. I was trying to just do maybe 3, but I'm going to push it and do yoga on Sunday because it's not so bad now since it has been a couple months since my last surgery. All right, so I'm going to let the highlighter dry for a minute before I write on it, just because it's still a teeny bit wet. So I'm going to move on to Saturday. I'm going to grab this little heart here because it is my mom's birthday. It's her heavenly birthday. So I actually lost my mom, almost 10 years ago now. It's so crazy to think about now that I just lost my sister. You know, it does help to ease the pain a little bit knowing that they are together again, watching over the rest of us. So I'm just going to write down happy heavenly birthday, Mom. Perfect. Oh, and I also forgot, I did pull out my birthday balloon stickers. Yay, I'm so glad I remembered that. All right, so let's go ahead and put down one of these green balloon stickers. Oh my gosh, look how pretty all of this green is. Okay, I am really loving this whole vibe. So I'm just gonna put 3 little dots underneath my mom's birthday, just in case I have anything that comes up on Saturday. I do still have room in the little box here that I can write in as well, but you never know. So I'm going to leave that open. All right, now I think the highlighters, yeah, it's dry. So I'm going to write on top now. Since Monday is going to be partly cloudy, I know I can at least be outside. So I'm going to do a long walk on Monday. Now I have a feeling it's going to be at least rainy, snowy maybe on the rest of the week. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to do all indoor workouts for the rest of the week. So on Wednesday, I'm going to do weights, and that'll give me a little bit of time to recover from my long walk. It'll probably be pretty long actually if it is nice out. And then on Friday, I'll do a cardio, and that'll just be a short cardio workout inside. And then on Sunday, we'll do yoga, and that'll be perfect for my day off. I can't wait. I love yoga. All right, so now since it is my day off, I don't really need all of this space, and I was thinking I might do a small little habit tracker, and I don't really have space on the right hand side, so let's just give it a try. I'm gonna like highlight around the whole box area. That way it makes it look like it is a whole tracker here. So yeah, let's just put it right up top and then right around all of the bottom here. I'm not really liking the right line, so I'm going to grab my pencil board to make the line a little bit thicker and straighter. Yeah, that looks so much better. All right, and then I'm just going to trace around the bottom. I really want this box to just kind of stand out as a habit tracker. That way I don't miss it when I am planning throughout the weeks. All right, that looks great. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off on the right hand side so it looks similar to the top there. So even though this is going to be like my day off, I might still want to write like one or two things in there, so just to have the space. Okay, so that looks good. It is still a little wet, but not so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and just write in habits on the left hand side here. And then since this is just my smaller on-the-go planner, I'm just going to keep track of a couple different habits. So like my water intake, my vitamins, my skincare routine, and my oral health. So like brushing, flossing, and rinsing. That has been a struggle lately because of maybe all of the stress that I am under. So I really need to keep track of how well I'm taking care of all of my other stuff. So I'm just going to put in 7 little dots, and then I think what I'll do is cross them off for each time I finish one of those habits each day. So yeah, I think that that is what I'm gonna do. So yay, that looks so good. I normally put it on the right hand side, like down at the bottom, but since Sunday's my day off, I thought that that was perfect to use, and I think it looks so great. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and write down rest for Sunday. So hopefully I will take the whole day off, but you know, I love working, so I will leave that open just for a few little tasks that I'll do on Sundays. And then in the bottom section here, I thought I would leave it for the book that I am reading for the week. I've actually been saving this book for this week. It's called Happiness for Beginners. Now, I know that they just came out with a Netflix movie, and I really wanted to read the book before I saw the movie. So don't give me any spoilers, but if you enjoyed this, definitely let me know down below. I cannot wait. I think it's going to be the perfect book for me to read for this week. All right, so up top, I think I'm going to write a quote. Now, before I do, I want to make sure that that ink sets. So I'm actually going to put my pencil board right on top of it, because anytime I put my hand down on top of the ink, it will smear if it doesn't sit for a while. So I'm just going to put this here and hope that it, oops, hopefully I did not smudge it just then, but let's go ahead and just give it a go. Okay, so I heard someone say this recently, and it definitely resonating with me right now, and I think that it is going to be such a good reminder for me to carry to this week. So it is, healing is happening even when I can't see it. So I don't know what struggles I'm going to be going through with radiation, but I think that is going to be at least a helpful reminder for me. All right, so yay, no smudges. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and put down a couple little stickers. I definitely want to put this little clover down. Let's go ahead and put it in this little empty space right here. Perfect. Oh my gosh, guys, I am loving how this turned out. I think that that is it. I do have some space left that I can put these stickers down, but I'm going to wait until the actual week comes so I can write everything that I need to in here. So that is a look at how my week has turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm so glad to be back filming again, and thank you so much for all of your love and support through all of this. You guys have been amazing. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!